We're growing fast. We want passionate people, we want creative people, and that's the match we got with Nubik. My name is Kathy, and I'm a manager here at Enviro Confort. I helped my husband start this business 6 years ago. We specialize in HVAC, basically anywhere where people live, we are. Salesforce changed a lot in our way to make business. Basically, we didn't have any dashboard to make decisions. We really needed to find a solution. Information is everything. You have to know exactly where you lose money, where you earn it. With a Salesforce platform like we have, we were able to get a lot more information than beforehand to work on the right things. Salesforce allowed us to grow a lot faster than we expected. It allowed us to increase our closing rate of about 5%. People here are convinced that Salesforce and Sales Cloud and Field Service is now part of the business. Everything is integrated. Every part of the process is being managed throughout the whole platform. You have suppliers and you have partners. The thing is to find the right one to help you grow. And that's what we found in Nubik, seriously.